Namaste, I am JVN Seema Panchal from Department of Journalism, JOT Vidyapeeth Women's University. In this session, today I will teach you about advertising as a marketing tool. Before telling you the meaning of advertising as a marketing tool, you should know the meaning of process of marketing. Marketing environment analysis, STP, marketing mix decisions, promotion decisions, marketing mix decisions. Let's start with 4 P's and 4 C's. These are very important. 4 P's were given by McCarthy as broad tools of marketing. Later, Robert gave a customer's point of view as 4 C's corresponding to seller's 4 P's. 4 P's product, price, place, promotion. 4 C's customer solution, customer cost, convenience, communication. Components of market mix: product, ingredients, quality, design, features, installation, customer education and training, customer relationship and management, color, size, packaging, services, warranties, replacement and return. Price, list price, discounts, credit terms, allowances, payment mode. Physical distribution, channels, coverage, inventory, warehousing, assortments, locations, transportation. Promotion, advertising, direct marketing, sales, promotion, personal selling, publicity, public relations. Marketing tool: product life cycle, curve, bell-shaped, introduction sales, slow, no profits heavy, expenditure, buyers, innovators, no competitors, a product is new, growth as product accepted, profit high, competition high, similar products produced, maturity, slowdown, acceptance level is reached, profits stabilize or decline, increase competition, innovative marketing to be done. Declining sales and profits, erode, very few competitors left, investment stopped. SWOT analysis, external environment analysis, SWOT analysis, internal environment analysis, marketing plan to provide assessment of current situation and position, focus efforts in an identified direction, give clear-cut performance targets, identify ways to achieve targets, allocate resources, direct all towards the common objectives. Marketing plan should be a written document, spell out actions to be taken when, where, by whom and what resources are available should be evaluated. Hierarchy of marketing plan: corporate mission, corporate objectives, marketing plan, marketing strategies, marketing programs, marketing tactics. Marketing plan content and structure. Marketing plan content and structure, marketing action plan, projected profit and loss statement, control contingency plan. Tools to estimate market demand: qualitative tools, open survey of buying intention, composite sales force opinion. Quantitative tools: extrapolation, time series analysis, correlation, econometrics models. Ansof's product market expansion. Thank you. With this, today's session is ended here. Tomorrow we will discuss another topic. This session is powered by Digital Session 2.0 GOT Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention it in comment box. I will sort out it soon.